should be made permanent. This video, I'll be sharing the latest updates on the UK care worker visa. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fajira. If you're joining me for the very first time, I'm so happy to have you all in my beautiful family. For my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you guys for always coming back to watch my videos. I really do appreciate it. God bless you. If you're new to this channel, I create content on how you can relocate to the UK, jobs with visa sponsorship in the UK immigration updates, scholarships in the UK, like everything you can think about the UK. So if you're someone who is interested in such content, do hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so each time I upload a new video, you're going to be the very first person to see that video. So guys, let's quickly dive right into today's video. Before I talk about the latest updates about the care worker visa, just in case you're new to this channel and you don't know what the care worker visa is. So the care worker visa is a visa that allows people to apply for jobs from overseas as carers to come to the UK to work. And this visa allows you to come with your family, your children, your wife, your husband, like your dependents to the UK. And the good thing about the care worker visa is that you don't have to pay for IHS, which is your health insurance, for you and your dependents. So this visa has helped a lot of people to migrate to the UK within the last 1 year. This particular visa was launched on the 15th of February 2022, and it was meant to last for 1 year, to be reviewed on the 15th of February 2023. There is now a new update from the UK government on the 10th of February 2023. I uploaded a video about the recent updates I got from care homes the same day, and just in the evening I saw this latest update from the UK government, and I believe this is going to make you happy. Just as you can see the healthcare workers smiling on the screen. So we are just going to dive right into the video. As you can see on my screen, this was published on the 10th of February 2023. International Recruitment Fund for the Adult Social Care Sector. Information on the 15 million fund to help tackle the barriers of international recruitment while uphold the ethical recruitment and employment practice. So just as you can see, the government is about to support the health sector to be able to recruit a lot of healthcare workers to the UK this 2023. Just before we continue, do like and share this video because this is a good news and a lot of people have been waiting for this good news. I am so excited about this news as well. In February 2022, care workers were added to the Health and Care Worker Visa Shortage Occupation List, enabling these roles to be recruited from overseas. Government can confirm that it is making £15 million available over 2023 to 2024 to help support international recruitment within the adult social care sector. So this is a good news, as you can see that if the government does not have an intention to extend this on the shortage occupation list, then the government will not be contributing towards it, right? So as you can see that the government can confirm that they are making a contribution of £15 million to ensure that recruitment agencies are able to recruit successfully from overseas. Care homes are also able to recruit successfully from overseas, which is a very good news. If you have been watching my videos, you will know that I had always been positive about this, that I don't see this going off the occupation list. And I'm so happy that the UK government has done something about it. I am really happy. So just as you can see on my screen, the aim of this fund is to promote collaborative arrangements which reduce administrative complexity and burden, particularly for small and medium-sized enterprises provided. For example, the local support arrangement may offer providers help with identifying overseas candidates, completing sponsorship license and visa applications. Good news, onboarding, ongoing support for international recruits. As you can see that this is really focused on recruiting people from overseas, recruiting healthcare workers, recruiting care workers, care assistants, senior carers from overseas, which is why the government is supporting with this amount. So this is a great news for everyone who has been so worried, and also those that watched my video yesterday that were worried about their costs and so on. Get in touch with the care homes, call them. Like I always say, you should call them. I always call as much as I can. So get in touch with them and find out if they can start recruiting or if they can start applying for new course. So this is a very good news. Please start calling the care homes. I got some people that got back to me after I uploaded that video that after the calls they made, they are sure of 2 companies, promising that they will get back to them once they hear from the UK government about the care workers still being on the shortage occupation list. So as you can see on my screen, applying for health and social care jobs in the UK from abroad provides support for prospective overseas candidates when seeking jobs in the UK health or social care sectors. So this guideline is to enable you know how to avoid scams, working rights and standards, what to consider when deciding whether to take a health or care job in the UK. Remember, I uploaded a video recently about your contracts. You always have to read your contract. The contract has put a lot of people in trouble. So I have that video. I'm going to leave it in the description box. Always ensure that you read through every document you're meant to sign before you put your signature on it. Don't just be in a hurry to go sign any signature. Even the government as well is warning about that. You have to always go through your contracts and look at the things that you do not understand before signing them. But the good thing about today's update is that the government have not said they are going to take it off the shortage occupation list, which is a great news. Rather, the government is contributing £15 million to see how they can support international recruitment. The Code of Practice promotes high standards of ethical practice in the international recruitment and employment of health and social care personnel. It also sets out the UK's approach to supporting health and social care system and workforce alongside safeguards on active recruitment from countries with the most pressing universal health coverage, related health and social care workforce needs. It is aimed at all health or social care organizations or recruitment agencies undertaking international recruitment. The government has also advised on how you can check for scams when applying for jobs. So this is international recruitment agencies on how to avoid scams. Check a recruitment agency is on this ethical recruitment list. Agencies on this list have signed up to act in line with the code of practice. So before you apply for any job in the UK, always check that. Do not pay any money to agencies to find work in the UK. This is illegal under UK law. Beware of different scams and job offers that sounds too good to be true. So when applying for care jobs and other jobs in the UK, always be vigilant. Make sure that you are applying to the right company. Check on the license list. Get in touch with them before you send in your application, or once you have sent in your application, get in touch with them. So like I said, this is the best time to start calling. As earlier mentioned, some of my subscribers have called some care homes and they have told them that they will get back to them once the government have said anything about the care workers still being on the shortage occupation list. So guys, this is a very good news for me and also for you as well. I will keep calling other care homes to find out and also share with you. I will keep sharing jobs as well that will enable you migrate to the UK this year. Also call the care homes on the license sponsored list as shared in my previous video. I'm also going to leave the link to that list in the description box of this video, and I will definitely come and share more companies recruiting with you as soon as I see them. Do like and share this video with your friends and family. I know that a lot of people are worried about this particular information, and I'm glad that something good has happened. So share with them so they know that the government have said something really good about the care worker visa. So guys, we've come to the end of this video, and if you're yet to subscribe to join our beautiful family, please do hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so each time I upload a new video, you're going to be the very first person to see that video. Until I see you in my next video, do take care and have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.